In this guide, I'll show you how to fix stick drift on your Xbox controller. Now, the first thing you want to do is press your analog stick to the border whilst pressing down at the same time. And with compressed air, you want to spray into the gap that's created on the opposite side and work around the entire circumference of the analog stick. And you want to repeat this step on the other analog stick. Now, once you've done that, test out your controller and see if the stick drift has improved. And after you've done that, another thing you could try is to press down on both analog sticks for a couple seconds. And while you're pressing down, you want to do clockwise rotations around the border of your analog stick. And then once you've done that, go the other way as well whilst pressing down. Now, test out your controller after you've done this and see if your stick drift has improved. I do recommend in the future at some point you actually take off the faceplate, which is really easy to do on your Xbox controller, and clean the insides because that's going to be a more permanent fix. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.